Hey everyone, I am in my basement, actually sitting on the floor with my autonomous boat project doing some debugging. I have it all up and running. I had some weird issues when I took it out for the first test run in the lake, and so I'm looking into a few of those things. Um, I've got lots of fancy LEDs blinking here. There's a BeagleBone, which is a Linux computer, and a Teensy 3.6 on a custom cape. We have GPS, and we're actually getting a fix in the basement, which is great. We've got 3DR radio modems, or MRO radio modems. Love M Robotics, FR Sky radio systems. I'm using let's see, it's a Maestro from Pololu for my servo outputs, just because I had that laying around and I had room to lay everything out. So the onboard radio modem and servo driver go through the USB output of the BeagleBone. Um, so that's kind of a little brief overview of the hardware. Over here in my laptop, this is running through the radio modem. I'm debugging a bunch of the data that's coming off. So it's not too interesting. It's just a bunch of numbers. But I'm seeing some numbers that had been 0 come through now correctly. So that is a good thing. Okay, that's just my little quick update. Hopefully soon I'll be back in the water and running around with everything working perfectly. Haha.